Welcome to the world of Brianna and Mummy's kitchen. Stay tuned with like, comments, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Let's bake a healthy cake. Whole grain wheat flour 1 cup. Salt and baking powder as per the test. Clarified butter 1½ tablespoon. Golden raisin, almond, and pistachio as per the taste. Honey 3 spoons. One egg. Add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Milk powder 3 tablespoons. Now mix with water. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now bake for 35 minutes at 170 degrees. Healthy cake is ready to eat. If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.